NLS Digital Advanced Player 2 How-To Series, How to Use NLS BARD Mode.
Hello, I'm Amber Pearcy, Braille Development Officer from the Patron Engagement section at NLS. In this edition of the DA2 How-To Series, I'm going to cover how to use the NLS BARD mode. Before you can use the NLS BARD mode, you must connect the DA2 to a Wi-Fi network, acknowledge the BARD user license agreement, and log into your BARD account. For help with connecting to a Wi-Fi network or logging into your BARD account, see the tutorials in this series covering those topics. There are two ways to enter NLS BARD mode on the DA2. The easiest way is to press the mode button until you get to NLS BARD. Alternatively, you can press and hold the info button until you hear the message entering menu. Press the right arrow until you get to NLS BARD, and then press the info button to select it.
The NLS BARD menu.
There are 12 items in the NLS BARD menu. They are Search Collection, Advanced Search, Wish List, Most Recent Books, Most Recent Magazines, Most Popular Books, Browse Magazines, Browse Categories, Previous Downloads, Current Downloads, Modify Login Information, and Close. Use the left and right arrows to go through the different choices and the info button to select the one you want. Once you select an item, you will either be presented with more options or the DA2 will enter text input mode. If you are presented with additional options, use the left and right arrows to navigate through the choices and the info button to select the one you want. If the DA2 enters text input mode and you need help with entering text, see the tutorial in this series on text input mode.
Searching and browsing the BARD collection.
If you've completed a search or chosen to browse the collection, you will be presented with a list of titles. Use the left and right arrows to navigate by title and the info button to select a title. Once you select a title, you will be presented with a list of actions. They are download or cancel download, add to wish list or remove from wish list, info, and show status. Use the left and right arrows to navigate through the actions and the info button to select the one you want. If you need to go back a level, press the up arrow.
Downloading titles.
To help you get a better understanding of NLS BARD mode, let's search for and download a title together. I'm looking for the title Nightshade by Michael Connelly. From the BARD main menu, I'm going to choose Search Collection. The DA2 will automatically enter text input mode. I will use the DA2 buttons to enter NIGHTSHADE and then press the info button to submit. From the list of results, I'll press the right arrow until I reach the Michael Connelly title, and then I'll press the info button to select it. The first option on the list of actions is download. Press the info button to download that title. At any time, I can press and hold the bookmark button to check the download progress.
Downloads info. NLS BARD, Nightshade, 99%.
Now, let's download a title from the wish list. In this example, I'm going to download A Place for Turtles by Melissa Stewart from my wish list. First, I'll navigate back to the BARD main menu and choose Wish List. Then, I'll use the right arrow to navigate through the list until I reach the title I want to download. Press the Info button to select the title, and then choose Download. Now I've got 2 titles downloaded from BARD, ready for me to read on my DA2 player. For more information about the NLS DA2 audio player, see the other tutorials in this series.